Viewers, big debate on who the next KPCC chief could be in Karnataka. According to details stumbling out, the next state Congress unit chief could be from the ST or even the Lingayat community. Satish Jarkiholi, Ishwar Khandre, Appaji Nadagoda being considered as frontrunners. Okay, big update coming in right now, viewers, on Republic TV, and we'll try to connect to a Republic Canada newsroom in just a short while from now. But the big question is who is going to be the next KPCC? I repeat, KPCC. This is the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee president. So there is a big question mark. Who will it be? The decision will be taken later on, but the front runners are such. Like I read the names out. Now this is the front runner. The front runners' names are Satish Jarkiholi, Ishwar Khandre, Appaji Nadagoda. All of them being considered as front runners. According to details that we have access, the next state Congress unit chief could be from the ST or even the Lingayat community. That is right. We have been, of course, getting you all those updates, but the Congress is yet to decide. Congress is yet to decide, make a decision on the appointment of the new KPCC president, or they will retain Deputy CM DK Shivakumar. But according to the update that the next state Congress unit chief could be from the ST or Lingayat community. Satish Jarkiholi, Ishwar Khandre, Appaji Nadagoda being considered as the front runner. So that's a big update coming in on Republic TV. And as we keep getting you more updates, let's go straight across to Abhishek joining us live from the ground. Abhishek, I'm coming across to you right now. If you could take our viewers, Abhishek, to what we can expect, because it's a very important post. Only one person will get it. But the question is that who will it be? But we know that it could be from the ST or even the Lingayat community. Yes.
Just when the DCM DK Shivakumar is out of the country, the Congress leaders and the closest minister circle of CM Siddaramaiah met at Satish Jarkiholi's personal residence yesterday to discuss over a dinner the politics that has to take care in the state of Karnataka. So basically, there is a rule in Congress stating that one person should have only one post, and the rule has not been followed by DK Shivakumar because he also holds the DCM as well as the KPCC president post as of now. So people are against their own people of the Congress are against the decision of AICC with respect to Mr. DK Shivakumar. So, three popular names that are in the forefront for the KPCC new president would be Satish Jarkiholi from the ST community and Ishwar Khandre from the Lingayat community and Appaji Nadagoda. These are the three names that have been listed is what the inner circle of the CM Siddaramaiah says. Also, the closest circle of CM yesterday spoke that change of KPCC president is mandatory because DK Shivakumar was allowed to be the president of KPCC until the Lok Sabha elections were done. But after that, it is almost a couple of months and year nearing, and DK Shivakumar is not ready to step down yet. And the High Command of AICC should take a stern decision at this point of time is what the ministers have decided. Also, DK Shivakumar's attitude and involvement in the Belagavi politics with respect to CT Ravi and Lakshmi Hebbalkar, this was not accepted by the Home Minister and the Chief Minister, and this is what the information from the inner source of yesterday's dinner politics came out. So, at this point of time, probably in another 6 to 8 months, there might be a chance of DK Shivakumar stepping down from his KPCC presidentship, and there might be a chance of new president from either SC community or the Lingayat community getting on the chair of KPCC president. Back to you.